Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Butter London recently released 3 new Pat and Shine 10X shades for spring 2020, and in today's video, I'll be swatching the 3 polishes. For anyone who is unfamiliar with Butter London, their polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, and tan-free. The Pat and Shine 10X lacquer line is meant to be long-wearing and chip-resistant for up to 10 days, and lately I've been switching up my polishes a lot, so I didn't do a wear test, but I do want to show you what these swatches look like, so let's go ahead and get on into the video. The first of the 3 new shades is Cotton Buds, and this is a classic white cream polish. They all have a wide brush, which makes application super easy, and for this shade I was able to achieve full opacity on some nails with just 1 coat, but on other nails like this one I did require 2. If it's just as a base for some nail art, I think 1 coat gives you really good coverage, but if you're going to wear it on its own, I would recommend wearing 2 coats. So here's 2 coats of Cotton Buds. The second shade is called Strawberry Fields, and this one is a neon blue tone pink cream polish. This one also applied really smoothly, but I could still see a little bit of my natural nail peeking through, but it definitely evened out as it dried down and the patchiness was way less apparent. So this one does require 2 easy coats to reach full opacity, but the color is really pretty and it dries down to a glossy finish. And here is 2 coats of Strawberry Fields. And the third and final shade is called Yellow Submarine, and this is a bright and vibrant primary yellow cream polish. This one was a little bit patchy on the first coat, and I did end up applying 3 coats to reach full opacity. You probably could get away with 2 coats, but after 2 coats I still noticed the tiniest bit of a bald spot, so I did throw on a 3rd. I generally don't wear yellow nail polishes on their own, but I think this one would be really good for some nail art because it's the perfect primary yellow shade. And here's 3 coats of Yellow Submarine. So those are the 3 new additions to Butter London's Pat and Shine 10X lacquer line. And if I were to pick a favorite, I would probably pick Cotton Buds, even though Strawberry Fields is a close second. I love a fresh white manicure, and I don't think you can ever have enough white polishes. I use them all the time on their own and for nail art, and Cotton Buds had a great formula with great coverage, and application was also really easy with their wide brush. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you want to see some more of my Butter London videos or my swatch videos, I'll have links to both those playlists on the screen as well as in the description box below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!